In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the pan function not working in AutoCAD. If you've ever been working in AutoCAD and suddenly you can't pan around your drawing, it can be frustrating. Normally, panning is simple. You press and hold the middle mouse button, sometimes called the scroll wheel, and drag to move the view. When that stops responding, it usually comes down to a single setting, and fixing it only takes a moment. Here's the quick fix. With your drawing open, go to the command line. That's the input area at the bottom of the AutoCAD window, or it may appear near your cursor if dynamic input is on. Click into it so it's active, then type M-button pan and press enter. What you've just typed is the name of a system variable that tells AutoCAD what to do when you click and hold the middle mouse button. After you press enter, AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 1 and press enter again. Setting M-button pan to 1 enables the middle button to control panning. If it had been set to 0, the middle button would behave like pressing enter, which explains why dragging wouldn't move your view. As soon as you confirm that value of 1, try pressing and holding the middle mouse button and drag your cursor across the screen. You should see the entire view slide smoothly, letting you reposition your drawing without changing the zoom level. And there you go. That's the functionality most users expect when navigating. If panning is still not working after setting button pan to 1, the issue may not be in AutoCAD. Sometimes it's the mouse itself. The middle button might not be sending a proper click, the wheel might be stiff or sticky, or a custom mouse utility could be remapping the button to a different action. Wireless devices with low batteries, older drivers, or specialized gaming or CAD mice with custom profiles can all affect how the middle button behaves. In those cases, once you've confirmed M-button pan is set correctly inside AutoCAD, consider that the limitation could be external to the software. To recap conversationally, panning by holding the middle mouse button is the standard approach. If it's not behaving, typing M-button pan, pressing enter, and entering in restores that behavior. If it still doesn't respond, the most likely culprit is the mouse hardware or its configuration. That's all you need to get back to navigating your drawing smoothly and staying focused on your design work.